Welcome to the Frugal Fork with Bargain Bella! Stop scrolling, bud! ALD just dropped a sneak peek and it is WILD! Hey friends! Bargain Bella here, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one!
Let's start with some pet finds. First, we've got this cat tower that will have your kitty sitting pretty for just $24.99. Next up, this scratcher looks like a game console, but trust me, it's all cat arcade. Built-in catnip means your kitty closet, not your couch. $6.99, genius! Speaking of cats, a little fountain, a floating ball, one very confused cat. This toy keeps kitties busy, so you can finally drink your coffee hot. $4.99. Okay, switching gears. Spilled something? Shedding everywhere? Slap this snug cover on and boom! Instant new couch energy. $24.99, zero elbow grease. And it doesn't stop there. Same magic, smaller chair. This one hugs your armchair like it owes it money. $19.99 for a comfy cover-up job. Now for the pups. Turn that crate from timeout corner into 5-star suite. This bolster pad means naps in luxury. $16.99, tail wags guaranteed. Speaking of pups, from wild to chill in 60 seconds, this splash pad is basically a backyard pool party. For $9.99, everybody's invited. Next up, a practical one. No more crunchy bag clips or kibble on the floor. This bin keeps food fresh and your kitchen looking sharp. $14.99, smart move. Back to toys. It's squeaky, it's scented. It's basically a chew toy with a PhD in fun. $6.99 and your pup's new favorite thing. And another one. This wiggly worm-shaped toy is built for serious tug-of-war champions. $6.99, great. Now my dog wants one too. But wait, there's more. Fresh breath and clean teeth in one chew? That's not a treat, that's a tiny miracle. $5.99, your nose will thank you. Last pet pick, promise. These aren't just tasty, they're actually good for your pup. Function meets flavor for $4.99. Bella approved. Okay, humans, your turn now. This romper is soft, breezy, and honestly, cuter than most of my outfits. $8.99. Unfair advantage. One strap, all the storage. This sling bag is hands-free chic for busy days. $9.99, and it goes with everything. Right on cue. Slip on, walk out the door easy. These sandals are summer's easiest style win, and they're only $7.99. Now for the littles. Stripes, comfort, and a 4th of July vibe that works all summer long. $9.99 for outfit perfection, folks. And to match, tiny shoes, huge cuteness factor. These sneakers are made for tiny feet on the move. $9.99, adorable and affordable. Which brings us to school gear. Compartments for days. This lunchbox keeps snacks separated so nothing gets soggy. $5.99, lunch problem solved. Pair it with this. Flat, flexible, freezer-ready ice sheets slide right into any lunch bag. $9.99 for a 4-pack? Smart shopper alert. Still on lunch duty? Matches the backpack, keeps lunch cold. This bag is basically a tiny cooler with style. $8.99, back to school hero. And the big one, butterflies, dinosaurs, take your pick. This backpack's roomy, sturdy, and ready to crush the school year. $16.99, day one done right. Moving on to organization. Clear bins, endless storage. Mount this baby up and watch the craft supply chaos disappear. $14.99, neat freaks rejoice. For the sentimental shoppers, from kindergarten to 12th grade, this journal saves all the memories in one place. $9.99. Future you says thank you. Sticking with supplies, fun covers, ready for doodles, notes, or secret plans. I won't tell. $4.99. School supplies with personality. And of course, zipped shut holds everything. Honestly, cuter than my own collar. $4.99 for pencil organizing perfection. Don't skip the small stuff. Tiny extras that make a huge difference. Write a sweet note. Highlight what matters. $3.99. Small but mighty. Last school pick? Turn a boring sandwich into a star or a heart in 2 seconds flat. $1.99? That's basically pocket change, people. Pivoting to the home. Okay, this is the big one, folks. Bake bread, braise dinner, look like a kitchen pro. This cast iron beauty does it all for $29.99. Popular demand means it won't last. Now let's get cozy. Hand-carved wood, warm glow. This candle turns any room into a hug. $19.99 for instant ambiance. Right alongside it, no open flame, all the coziness. This lantern warms your favorite scent safely. $19.99, glow without the worry. Soft underfoot and machine washable, because life happens and floors deserve easy cleanup too. $24.99 for a 2-piece set. Then for the errands, folds flat, rolls smooth, hauls groceries like a champ. This trolley's your arm's new best friend. $19.99, genius purchase. Almost there. 14 cans, 1 stylish tote. This is picnic season's MVP. $12.99 and you're ready for sunshine and snacks. And last but not least, slim enough to slide right up to the sofa. Sturdy enough for your coffee and your remote. $14.99. Small table, big convenience.
And that's this week's Sneak Peek, Frugal fam. So many deals, so little time. I'm Bargain Bella, and I'll see you in the Aldi aisle.